Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how to do a half double crochet magic circle. To make the magic circle we would need these items. First is the iron worsted weight yarn, then we would need the 5mm crochet hook, and we will also be needing a tension regulator which would be useful for beginners. All these items will be linked in the description box should you wish to use the exact same supplies. To start the magic circle, I'll show you first how to use the tension regulator. This is really useful for beginners and helps to keep you the working yarn tension during stitches. So now I'm going to insert the yarn in the two loops of the tension regulator, and once it's done I will keep this aside and start the magic circle. To create the magic circle, you take the loose end of the yarn and wrap it around your fingers and make something like a cross. So you just basically take the loose end, wrap it around in your fingers, and then make something like this cross. Then what you need to do is basically you insert your crochet hook on the first yarn, then pull the other yarn and then twist, and then take the other yarn and draw up a loop. This makes your first chain and also your magic circle, so which is very simple. So now I'm going to be showing you how to do the half double crochet in the magic circle. I'll wear the tension regulator just to demonstrate you how to use it while doing the half double crochet in the magic circle. So I'm going to make another chain, so yarn over and insert through the loop, and this makes your second chain. Also make sure you know the loose end of the yarn is around the circle, as we will need to capture that while we do the half double crochet. So yarn over, insert through the circle, yarn over, and you have 3 loops on your hook, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This makes your first half double crochet. So I'm going to now keep doing 8 half double crochet, and then I will come back and explain the rest. So guys, now that we've done our 8 half double crochet, what we're going to do is you're going to pull this little tail yarn just to close the circle. Can you see this? And this is how it will take the shape of a circle. And now what we are going to do is we're going to do a slip stitch. To do the slip stitch, what we need to basically do is we need to go in, insert the hook in the first half double crochet that we made, that you can see, and then yarn over and then pull through the loop. So this is how we have closed the circle, and you can see it's taken a really nice shape. So guys, now I'm going to be showing you how to finish off the magic circle if you just want to make a little tiny mini magic circle. So you know what we're going to do is now we're going to trim it off the loose end of the yarn that's coming out. So you just tighten it just to make sure, and then you take a scissor and then just trim it off from the back. So, and that's how easy it is. So guys, if you just want a little mini circle, as I mentioned before as well, so you can also cut the top end of the pattern and secure it. So what I'm going to be doing is just doing a little chain stitch and then pull up the loop and then just cut it with the scissors, and that finishes your magic circle if you just want that little mini one. So I hope you guys liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can always drop it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them as soon as I can. And yeah, do let me know if you have any requests for any other video, or if there's anything that you want me to do. Thank you so much for watching, guys.